What's up, everybody? Zoolite here, and I'm having Whiplash help me out as today we open up a pack of WCW World Championship Wrestling trading cards, and my camera sucks. But, oh, there we go. Hey, Whiplash, how you doing? All right, there we go. From 1991, 12 cards. And we're gonna open it. One hand. It's the biggest fail ever. Okay, we're back. And right off top, we open the pack and we have Ric Flair. Woo! Next up, we have Sting, about to get jumped by the Four Horsemen. And then we have the Steiner brothers. Yeah. Lex Luger. Hey! Mr. Wall Street, a.k.a. IRS, a.k.a. Bray Wyatt's daddy. Michael, oh, it says Fabulous Freebirds. But yet there it says Michael P.S. Hayes, and it shows both Freebirds. The Red Rooster, Terry Taylor. Sting! Why is Sting always like he's about to get beat up by Sid? We about to have a tag match, player. Player, holla, holla. Teddy Long up in this. It's Elegante, a.k.a. Giant Gonzalez. Ooh, the Freebirds together. There we go. Michael Hayes and Jimmy Jam. And last but not least, Dutch Mantel, a.k.a. Zeb Coulter, for those that are the uninitiated. And let's take a look at all that we got today out of this wonderful pack. I love opening these. I had this whole set at one point in my life, and you know, life happens as you get older. Things get lost, things get destroyed by other people. So there we are, all 12 cards in the pack. Yeah! Woo! Peace out, everybody.